Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn least common multiple LCM. But before getting started, I want to tell you story. There were two friends, Rohan and Sohan. दोनों नाव की सैर कर रहे थे. Then suddenly both of them saw two frogs jumping on a particular manner near the pond. जो small frog था वह at a time 2 के step से jump कर रहा था. Like 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 and so on. और जो big frog था वह at a time 3 के step से jump कर रहा था. Like 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 and so on. So what is the frogs actually doing? Students, यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि जो small frog था वह at a time 2 के step से jump कर रहा था. Like 2 plus 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 and so on. और जो big frog था वो 3 के step से jump कर रहा था. Like 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 3 15 15 plus 3 18 18 plus 3 21 21 plus 3 24. So student, here you can see these are the multiples of 2 and 3. तो रोहन ने सोहन से पूछा क्या किसी स्टेप पर ये दोनों एक साथ में आएंगे? तो सोहन ने कहा यस, कुछ स्टेप्स पर ये दोनों एक साथ आएंगे. Like step 6 and then step 12 and then step 18, step 24 and so on. So student, these are some common steps जहाँ पर दोनों frog एक साथ में आएंगे. So it means these are the common steps. So student, as we know ये 2 और 3 का multiple है. But सबसे पहले वो किस step पे मिले थे? तो सबसे पहले वो step 6 पे मिले थे. So we can say LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So it means 6 is the smallest common multiple of 2 and 3. So what is LCM? So student, we can say the least common multiple of any 2 or more given number is the smallest number which is the multiple of all given numbers. So let us understand it with the help of one more example. Find the LCM of 6, 12 and 15. So student, to find the LCM of any given number, we follow 3 steps. Step 1, first we write some multiples of given number. So let us write the multiples of 6. So student, these are some multiples of 6. Now we write multiples of 12 and these are some multiples of 12. At last we write the multiples of 15 and these are some multiples of 15. Student, here we have completed our first step. Now in step 2, we find the multiples common in all. So let us see which number is common in all. So here 60 is common and after 60, 120 is common. As we know, multiples are endless. So student, जैसे कि multiple endless होते हैं वैसे ही उसके common multiple भी endless होते हैं. तो जितना ज़्यादा हम इसके multiples लिखते जाएंगे उतने ही ज़्यादा हमें common multiples मिलते जाएंगे. Now we write common multiples. So student, common multiples of 6, 12 and 15 is equal to 60, 120 and so on. So student, here we have completed second step. Now in step 3, we find the LCM. Write the least common multiple LCM of all given numbers. And here the least number is 60. So it means LCM of 6, 12 and 15 is equal to 60. So student, this is how you can find out the LCM of any given number. And this method of finding LCM is known as listing method. And this method of finding LCM is very time consuming, especially when we need to find the LCM of 3 or more digits number. So we have another method of finding LCM that we will learn in our next video. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time. So student, get ready with your pen and notebook and please solve these questions and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.